In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Brevo. If you want to collect sign-ups for your newsletter, onboarding list, or marketing updates, a sign-up form is one of the simplest ways to do it. In this walkthrough, you will follow the exact process from opening Brevo to copying the code or link so you can use it on your website. First, log into your Brevo account. Make sure you are signed in using the account that has access to your marketing tools, because the Forms area is tied to your workspace. Once you are logged in, you can keep going right from your main dashboard. Next, navigate to Marketing, then Forms. This is where Brevo groups everything related to form creation and management. As you move through the menu, look for a section labeled Marketing, and then choose Forms from the options underneath it. You should land on a page that shows either existing forms or a place to create a new one. Now click Create a new sign-up form. This step starts a new form from scratch. When you click that button, Brevo will typically open a form builder or a setup screen where you can define what the form will collect and how it will behave. After that, click Full Page, then select your form name. This is an important setup choice because full page usually refers to a standalone full-page form experience rather than a compact embed. Then, enter a clear form name that helps you recognize the purpose later, such as what the form is for and where it will be used. Keep the name consistent with how you organize other marketing assets. Once the form name and layout are selected, use the drag-and-drop editor to add and arrange your fields. This editor is where you build the actual form content. You can add fields like first name, last name, and email, depending on what you want to collect. As you place fields, take a moment to think about the order users will see. The arrangement matters because it guides people through completion and helps reduce confusion. In the drag-and-drop area, pay attention to field labels and any options available for each field. If the editor allows you to set which fields are required, confirm that only the necessary fields are marked required. This keeps the form user-friendly while still capturing the data you need. Next, configure the settings, including list selection, double opt-in, and other relevant options. This is where you connect the sign-up form to your email list or audience. List selection tells Brevo where the subscribers will be added. Double opt-in controls whether a new subscriber must confirm their email before being added, which can improve list quality and deliverability. Take your time here and make sure the list you choose is the correct one for this sign-up form. You should also review other settings shown in the Settings panel. Some forms include options for confirmation messages, branding, or field behavior. Even if the defaults are already suitable, checking them briefly helps you avoid surprises when the form goes live. After you have reviewed everything, click Create or Save. This finalizes the form creation so it is ready to use. If Brevo prompts you with any confirmation or asks you to review final details, take a quick look and proceed. Saving ensures your changes are not lost. Finally, copy the provided shareable link or embed code to use on your website. Choose the option that matches how you want the form to appear. The shareable link is useful if you want to direct users to a standalone page. The embed code is for placing the form directly on a site page. When you copy the content, make sure you copy the full link or the complete embed snippet exactly as shown in Brevo. And that covers everything you need to know. You have created your Brevo sign-up form, configured it for the right audience and sign-up behavior, and grabbed the link or code so you can place it on your website. And that is all there is to it.